The front of Goku in Dragon Ball, very easy to draw. First draw two upside down trapezoids. Determine a point on the top of the big trapezoid. The distance between the bottom and the sides is the same. The left side forms an isosceles triangle. Here. It smells good like the other three places. After drawing the width of the ears, find the location of the top of the head. Draw a semicircle downwards. The distance from the top of the head to the top of the large trapezoid, and the distance from the top to the bottom of the large trapezoid. Are equal. The neck comes out incidentally. We cut the cello in half horizontally. Find the middle point. To the upper two corners of the large trapezoid. Form a triangle. Wukong's eyebrows are drawn here. The left eyebrow is slightly curved. Then draw the eyes downwards. The mouth is right in the center of this line. Go up a little. Draw nose. Add facial features. Remember what we revealed before. Draw an arc up and down. Draw hair. Then draw the broken hair on the left and right sides. Complete the ears. Outline the face shape along the auxiliary lines. Just make the angle smoother. Determine the hair position in the upper right corner of the head. Then draw the hair on both sides of the ears. Only this section of the arc above the head remains. Wukong's head shape is revealed. Then we erase the useless auxiliary lines. Just add some details. Paint the remaining areas that should be painted black. Color where needed. I won't mess with the door here. All right. We have finished the line drawing of Wukong's face. Have you learned everything? Please post your finished drawings to the comment area. Let everyone have fun.